See you later. I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Well, I don't even know if you guys saw it. Let me get back out. Oh. You see it. Bike's pretty dirty, right? So that's something we both can agree on, right? Yeah. I'm gonna just say yes. So it's about 11 o'clock right now. And over the past couple of days, your boy has been posting videos, and just about on every video that I have posted, I have seen this one specific comment from the same person. I'm just gonna head to the store right now and we're gonna get a couple of things. What are you doing?
Getting all this dirt off
Why?
with my fingers. Because
Why?
it's dirty. It needs to be washed.
Who you telling?
You.
Boy, you better watch it, son. Better
Hey.
watch it, son. Yeah, that's right. You better run. Stop. You don't want to work. Before I left, I told you guys, well, you guys saw the bike was pretty dirty, right? That's not all. Like, this bike, well, hold on. I'll be back.
Bitch, you know me, I got it. Hold on, you bitch, fuck shit like you got it. Bitch, you got drip, no cap. Walk around here, quick tip, no stylist. Bitch, you know me, I got it. Baby and Chanel looking at me cause I got it. Big bang, bust down. Put it on me, big drip, I got it. Yeah.
You seen this one? Now take a look at this one. Take a look at this one. Take a look at this one. What do they all have in common? They're all dirty. Pretty bad at washing bikes. I don't like washing them. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Washing the bikes is, you know, it's not my favorite thing, but I know it has to be done. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get all of these bikes washed and make them look nice again. It's your boy Darius, and I'm back again with another video. How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great. And if not watching this video will make things 10 times better, baby. We are back at it again with another video. How you guys doing today? I did go riding yesterday. I had some bike issues. I will throw in a couple clips from yesterday. I got some footage of on the Castle helmet cam that my friend Adam was using while he was out on the track. I would have had some footage for you guys, but I was having some problems, some bike issues. So yeah, enjoy.
box gunner if you want you a Birkin. Oh baby, you be lying in your verses. I be here and say you buying them purses.
Keep the chain nice and fresh. I got some tire foam. After the wash, keep the tires nice and shiny. We use this for the air filters. If you have another one laying around, just put a fresh one in there and then just switch them out. Still clean that one, so the next time you take this one out, you just slap the new one in. It kind of makes it a little bit easier. And then we have some Simple Green. I use Simple Green on just about everything. The Simple Green will get it nice and clean. And I also use the Simple Green on most of my gear. So it gets the stains and whatnot out of my gear. We're not gonna do all of this with just a regular water hose. We have to have, you know, pressure washer to make everything nice and easy. If not, you would literally be here all day. We're gonna start with the 250, move on to that, and then move on to that. I need to be in the right washing attire, I guess I could say. This is not the move. The Vans, gotta keep them fresh, can't get those dirty. Alright, so you might think it's pretty silly, but it's not. These boots will help. Your feet will not get wet, soaking wet, and you'll probably clean them in the meantime. Help you get the job done, people. What song?
Cats in the Racks.
Your song?
Awesome.
Is it fire?
Yeah.
Of course it's fire.
Cats in the Racks. I'm dropping New Year's.
Yes, sir. Well, 85, well, 90% done. Not really much left to do. I gotta exchange these grips. They're all, you know, they're all busted and worn out. It's about time for some new grips. I gotta take the wire off of it as well. I gotta change the air filter. Let's take a look at this air filter, by the way. I gotta clean the seat as well, so that's about all I have left to do. Jeez. That air filter is dirty. Definitely swap it out for a new one. When's the last time you changed your air filter?
I have no clue.
Well, bike fell over as I was washing it. And it looks like it just moved down the bar. Hopefully the whole lever isn't bent. Well, it looks like it is. It was on the kickstand too. That's the worst part about it. Come on, you guys can take a bird's eye view from it, from the top of it. Well, it's not too bad, but it is bent, you can tell. I am now on the last and final bike, which is Tyler's 85.
Best one out here,
The best one out here, you think so?
Yeah, 'cause it is. I know so.
Nope.
I already told you guys I'm on the last and final bike, which is Tyler's bike. Tyler actually did a video on his channel of him cleaning his own bike. So I'm probably just gonna throw in a couple clips from that video into this video of him cleaning the 85. And I'm just gonna get it clean off camera, but put in that footage, if you dig what I'm saying. So that's what I'm gonna do for the meantime of cleaning this 85. Pull it off. Let me see that thing. Let me see that air filter, boy. Oh my gosh. Dude, clean it. Oh my
I don't want to.
gosh.
I need to clean that right now.
Clean it, son.
Is this still stuck to my face?
Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Whoa.
Alright, just about everything is finally put away. I am done washing the bikes. And one last thing that I normally do is go over the whole bike and tighten all the loose bolts that may be loose from riding, all the vibration and everything. The bolts tend to loosen up, so I just go around, make sure they're all tight.